Cursor was trying to fix a bug at least 10 times and asked me to try again, but fails. Then I paused for a moment and realized I was talking to the AI wrong way. We were trying to implement a feature in our existing dashboard where we wanted to, fill up our QA quality metrics. We want to fill some data. Feature was implemented, but values were not coming correctly. All everything was zero, coming as zero. So yeah, in order to fix this issue, what I was asking Cursor to fix these zero values issues. There was a lot of conversation going on between Cursor and me. Cursor was, trying to fix things in the code base by looking at the logics and asking me to resync and try to see if things are fixed. It was coming in back and forth in a loop. Things were stuck in a loop, right? See here how long this conversation is going on. It is asking me to pull some data. I am giving that data. I is fixing again. So things are not going well in the right direction. Eventually, my whole context was consumed, and Cursor asked me to, create a new conversation and start again. So yeah, so before I starting the new conversation, I pause for a moment and see as a developer how I will fix this issue. Right? I will maybe if a junior developer came with me an issue, so how I will guide that developer to fix this issue. So yeah, so here the magic prompt came into the picture. So first I saw the problem is related to data, maybe. So I asked Cursor, go and check if data is available. If data is available, is either is it is valid. If it is a valid issue, valid data, then we need to fix the code. If not, then we need to fix the data part. So what you will see here, Cursor created some of the tasks for me, for itself basically, how to fix this issue. Okay, then it was able to complete all the tasks. So at the end, if you see after completing his stuff, again it is asking me to verify things. I created a endpoint. You need to verify data from this endpoint if it is available or not. I realized like, okay, I mean I asked you to verify the data and then fix it. You again fixing blindly. So then I asked Cursor here. You see here. If you see here, I asked Cursor, did you test if the data exist? Did you make the changes without testing the data existence? This is what I will ask any junior developer. Are you fixing blindly? So what happens? It says I did not verify the data first. See, now after asking this medical prompt, Cursor is trying to fetch the data and trying to match with our logic and see it is able to find the exact issue. It says like, okay, this column is not there in our data. Data is there, but that column is missing values. All values are null. Then again, it tried to fix issue and asked me to on some of the assumption. It asked me to let's try again. Here you see, let's say I added some diagnostic field, and let's resync the process and investigate issue further. Or should I investigate? So I said, okay, I asked you to try to pull up some data and verify again. So then again I give him very straight to the point, you can say, prompt, where I am questioning his skills as well, actually, where I'm questioning his cursor skills, where I'm saying, are you fixing blindly? So yeah, I'm hitting his you can say skill set. So yeah, so I say let's investigate the sync process. We can do investigation this way by divide and conquer. Instead of pulling all the data and then verify, what we can do is we can pull a couple of records and see if data is being filled or not. So then you see it is what it is doing is it's creating endpoint where it will self pull the task those data and try to see if issues fixed or not. See, it created a sync process for one record and try to pull that data and seeing if issue is there, and after watching carefully the issue exists, and then it eventually change some code and boom. So, and then it asked me to, no, you can resync and things will be fine for you. So then I resynced it, and after resyncing, when I switched back to my browser, check, the data was there. See here, my all the data was available. So see, what is the issue? What was the issue actually? Issue was we were treating a cursor as a smart guy, as a, you can say, senior smart guy who can do all of stuff. But that's wrong way. We need to treat it as a junior developer. We need to explicitly ask cursor what needs to be done. Okay, if we are not going to ask cursor what needs to be done, exactly what steps, exact steps, if not, then it will improvise and try to fix with a lot of 100 ways. Maybe it will work, maybe it will not work. So yeah, here you need to be play smart and prompt smartly, so that instead of cursor ask you to verify things, cursor itself start verifying and fixing things for you. Yeah, so in the end, I will again uh, close this video by saying that AI tools won't replace you. AI won't replace you actually. Who will replace you? Who is going to use these tools smartly? Yeah, those will replace you. So that's the crux here. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and subscribe my channel.